Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel. We crossed from France into Switzerland and didn't even realize we had entered a new country. As we left Colmar, we drove through the Alsace wine region, famous for its vineyards and scenic countryside. This road trip through vineyards, mountains, tunnels and clouds might be one of the most beautiful drives in Europe. When we saw these toll-style roads, we wondered, is this Swiss border already? We expected immigration checks, border control, or at least a stop. But surprisingly, there was nothing. No border checks, no passport control, and no stopping. Almost immediately, we noticed something interesting. Tunnels, lots of tunnels. And just like that, we entered a brand new country without even realizing it. So, welcome to Switzerland. It took us about 1 hour to reach Switzerland from Colmar. Switzerland has one of the most advanced tunnel networks in the whole world. I think it is to build to protect mountains, reduce travel time, preserve the village. Do you know why there are so many tunnels? Let us know in the comments, please. Our original plan was to visit Lind Home of Chocolate in Zurich, walk around Lake Zurich, explore Zurich city, then head to Rhine Falls, and finally drive to our stay in Langenthal. Ideally, if you're coming from Colmar and staying in Langenthal, it actually makes sense to visit Rhine Falls first. But because tickets for Lind Museum were sold out for our preferred time, so we had to change our plan. We went to Swiss' largest chocolate museum where we had unlimited chocolate, which felt like Willy Wonka chocolate factory. We will take you to a tour of this chocolate museum in a separate video. Whenever we visit a new country, we have to check out the supermarkets there. For us, that's part of a cultural experience and a bit of retail therapy as well.
चलते चलते रास्ते में लिडल है तो हमने कहा शॉपिंग कर लेते दूध फ्रेश नहीं है ये पैरासीटामोल आप यहाँ नहीं ले सकते उसके लिए आपको फार्मेसी में जाना पड़ेगा पिज़्ज़ा फॉर लंच लेट्स गो
Do you know, Zurich is consistently ranked as one of the most expensive cities in the world. Do you have any idea why?
Absolutely terrible weather. But we're taking you to Europe's largest waterfall.
Do you know Rhine Falls is one of the Europe's largest waterfalls? It's less than an hour from Zurich. We will take you to Rhine Falls tour in a separate video, so stay tuned for next videos.
जर्मनी कैसे पहुंचे? चलते चलते सैटनैप ने कहा कि यार क्विकर रूट है, हम लोग जा रहे हैं अपने एयरबीएनबी लैंगन का। मैंने कहा दे दो। पता चला बीच में हम जर्मनी आ गए। अब जर्मनी से वापस स्विट्जरलैंड।
I would say honestly, road tripping to Switzerland should be on everyone's bucket list. This is the best way to experience the city. Every small town you pass through feels like an enchanted village. Perfectly kept houses, rolly green fields, snow-capped peaks in the distance. The greenery in Switzerland feels different, more lush and more vibrant. There's something unique about Swiss beauty. This feels like postcard scenery, crystal clear rivers, mountains, valleys, flowers, and wooden chalets. There's something special about Switzerland and its roundabouts. Each one of them has some art installation, making them interesting. You must buy a Swiss vineyard before driving on motorways and highways. It's a small sticker placed on your windshield. You can buy it at petrol station, at border crossing, or even online. There are some car-free villages as well. You cannot take your car, but can only reach them using public transport, trains, or cable cars. Best time to visit is June to August, but it can be very busy and expensive. May, September, or October have fewer crowds, but better prices. The currency is Swiss franc. Euros are often accepted, but Swiss franc is best. With this quick Airbnb tour, our video comes to an end, but we promise to take you tomorrow on an incredible adventure through stunning lakes, charming villages, and beautiful valleys. So stay tuned with us for our next video, and please like, subscribe, and comment to see our entire Europe trip to get the best tips and inspiration for your next trip. Terrace है.